become one of the most iconic voices of this generation. When you call up to order a pizza, you know, do they say on the other end, "Oh my, is that Jigsaw?"
No, because that's not my voice.
It's Little Nero, sir. I have your pizza?
Welcome to your rebirth.
Okay. Well, what about the money?
I want to play a game. You were counting on repossessing more than they could ever pay back.
You'd have to pay for your pizza, sir.
You are predators.
Cheapskate.
But today, you become the prey. And it is your own pound of flesh that I demand. The sacrifice of flesh.